Hello my dear friends. Today I am sharing syllabus of UGC NET education paper, and that is totally in education subject totally syllabus divided into 10 units. That is, first unit is educational studies, second unit history, politics and economics of education, third learner and learning process, fourth teacher education, fifth curriculum studies, sixth research in education, seventh pedagogy, andragogy and assessment, eighth technology in / for education, unit 9 educational management, administration and leadership, unit 10 that is last unit inclusive education. So now I am telling one by one and unit by unit what is the syllabus by unit. So in first unit, in unit first, that is educational study. In educational studies you have to study about contribution of Indian school of philosophy, that is Sankhya, Yoga, Vedanta, Buddhism, Jainism, with a special reference to Vidya, Dhyanan Darshan and Islamic tradition towards educational aims and method of acquiring valid knowledge. B means educational studies syllabus divided into 4 subtopic. So second subtopic will be contribution of Western school of thoughts, that is idealism, realism, naturalism, pragmatism, Marxism, existentialism, and their contribution to education with a special reference to information, knowledge and wisdom. C. Approaches to sociology of education, that is symbolic instruction, structural functionalism and conflict theory. Concept and types of social institutions and their functions, family, school and society. Concept of social movements, theory of social movements, relative deprivation, resource mobilization, political process theory and new social movement theory. Fourth, socialization and education. Education and culture, contribution of thinkers like Swami Vivekananda, Rabindranath Tagore, Mahatma Gandhi, Aurobindo, J. Krishnamurti, Paul Freire, Wollstonecraft, Neil Nordings and Savitribai Phule to the development of educational thoughts for social change. National value as enshrined in the Indian Constitution, that is socialism, secularism, justice, liberty, democracy, equality, freedom, with a special reference to education. Now second unit, history, politics and economics of education. First subtopic, committee and commission, contribution to teacher education. Secondary Education Commission 1953, Kothari Education Commission 1964 to 66, National Policy of Education 1986, 1992, National Commission on Teachers 1999, National Curriculum Framework 2005, National Knowledge Commission 2007, SPAL Committee Report 2009, National Curriculum Framework for Teacher Education 2009, Justice Verma Committee Report 2012. Second, relationship between policy and education, linkage between educational policy and national development, determinants of educational policy and process of policy formulation, analysis of existing situation, general of policy option, evaluation of policy option, making the policy decision, planning of policy implementation, policy impact assessment and subsequent policy cycles. Third unit, third subtopic of second unit, that is concept of economics of education, cost benefit analysis versus cost effective analysis in education, economic return to higher education, signaling theory versus human capital theory, concept of educational finance at micro and macro levels, concept of budgeting. Fourth, relationship between politics and education, perspective of politics of education, liberal, conservative and critical Approaches to understanding holistic behavioralism, theory of system analysis and theory of rational choice. Education for political development and political socialization. Third unit, that is learner and learning process. First one, growth and development, concept and principle, cognitive process and a stage of cognitive development, personality development and theory. Freud, Carl Rogers, Gordon Albert, Max Rithmer, Kafka, mental health and mental hygiene. Approaches to intelligence from unitary to multiple. Concept of social intelligence, multiple intelligence, emotional intelligence, theory of intelligence by Sternberg, Gardner, assessment of intelligence, concept of problem solving, critical thinking, metacognition and creativity. See, principle and theories of learning, behavioristics, cognitive and social theories of learning, factor affecting social learning, social competence, concept of social cognition, understanding social relationship and socialization goals. D. Guidance and counseling, nature, principle and needs of guidance and counseling, types of guidance, educational, vocational, personal, health, social and directive and non-directive, eclectic. Approaches to counseling, that is cognitive, behavioral, Albert Ellis, REBT and humanistic. Personal centered counseling, Carl Rogers, theory of counseling, behavioristics, rational, emotive and reality. Fourth, teacher education. Fourth unit, teacher education, meaning, nature and scope of teacher education, type of teacher education programs, the structure of teacher education curriculum and its vision in curriculum documents of NCERT and NCTE at elementary, secondary and higher secondary levels, organization of components of pre-service teacher education, transactional approach for foundation courses, expository, collaborative and experiential learning. B. Understanding knowledge basis of teacher education from the viewpoint of Schoolman, Ding and Luke and Habermas, meaning of reflective teaching and a strategy for promoting reflective teaching, models of teacher education, that is behavioristics, competency based and inquiry oriented teacher education models. C. Concept, need, purpose and a scope of in-service teacher education, organization and modes of in-service teacher education, agency and institution of in-service teacher education at a district, state and national level, that is Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, Rashtriya, RMSA, SCRT, NCERT, NCTE, UGC, preliminary consideration in planning in service teacher education program, that is purpose, what is will be duration, resources and budget. Fourth one, concept of profession and professionalism, teaching as a profession, professional ethics of a teacher, personal and contextual factors affecting teacher development, ICD integration, quality enhancement for professionalism of teacher education, innovation in teacher education. Fifth one, curriculum studies, concept and principle of curriculum, a strategy of curriculum development, stages in the process of curriculum development, foundation of curriculum planning, philosophical basis, national democratic, sociological basis, socio-cultural reconstruction, psychological basis, learners' needs and interests, benchmarking and role of national level as statutory bodies, that is UGC, NCTE and university in curriculum development. B. Models of curriculum designs, that is traditional and contemporary models, academic discipline basic model, competency based model, social function activities model, social reconstruction, individual needs and interest model, outcome based integrative model, intervention model, CIPP model, context input process product model. CIPP model means context input process product model. Fourth one, instructional system, instructional media, instructional technique and material in enhancing curriculum transaction, approaches to evaluation of curriculum, approaches to curriculum instruction, academic and competency based approaches, models of curriculum evaluation, Taylor's model, Steck models, Scriven's model, Kirkpatrick models. D. meaning and type of curriculum change, factor affecting curriculum changes, approaches to curriculum change, role of students, teachers and educational administrator in curriculum change and improvement scope of curriculum research and type of research in curriculum study. Next unit, research in education. It is most important unit of education subject for UGC NET, that is meaning and scope of educational research, meaning and step of scientific method, characteristics of scientific method, that is replicability, precision, falsifiability, parsimony, types of scientific method, exploratory, explanatory, descriptive, aims of research as a scientific activity, problem solving, theory building and prediction, types of research, fundamental, applied and action, approaches to educational research, that is quantitative and qualitative, designs in educational research, that is descriptive, experimental and historical. Next, B, variables, meaning of concepts, construct and variables, types of variable, that is independent, dependent, extraneous, intervening and moderator. Hypothesis, what is a hypothesis, concept of hypothesis, sources, types, research directional, non-directional, null, formulating hypothesis, characteristics of a good hypothesis, a step of writing a research proposal, concept of inverse and sample, characteristics of good sample, techniques of sampling, that is probability and non-probability sampling, tools of research, that is validity, reliability, standardization of a tool, types of tool, rating scale, attitude scale, questionnaire, aptitude test and achievement test, inventory, technique of research, that is observation, interview and projective techniques, types of measurement scale, that is nominal, ordinal, interval and ratio, quantitative data analysis, descriptive data analysis, measure of central tendency, variability, fiduciary limits and graphical presentation of data, testing of hypothesis, type 1 and type 2 errors, level of significance, power of a statistical test and effect size, parametric technique, non-parametric technique, condition to be satisfied for using parametric techniques, inferential data analysis, use and interpretation of a statistical techniques, correlation t-test, z-test, ANOVA, chi-square, equal probability and normal probability hypothesis, qualitative data analysis, data reduction and classification, analytical induction and constant comparison, concept of triangulation. Qualitative research design, that is grounded theory design, types, characteristics, design, step in conducting grounded theory research, strength and weakness of grounded theory. Narrative research design, meaning and key characteristic, steps in conducting narrative designs, case study, meaning of case studies, characteristics, component of case study design, types of case study, step of conducting a case study research, strength and weakness, ethnography, what is the meaning of ethnography, characteristics, underlying assumption, steps of conducting ethnographic research, writing ethnographic account, strength and weakness, mixed method, that is ethnographic account, strength and weakness, mixed method design, characteristics, types of design, triangulation, explanatory, exploratory design, steps in conducting a design, strengths and weakness of design, that is mixed method design. Unit 7th, pedagogy, andragogy and assessment. Pedagogy, pedagogical analysis, concept and stages, critical pedagogy, meaning, need and its implication in teacher education, organizing teaching, memory level, Harvetian model, understanding level, Morrison teaching model, reflective level, Big and Hunt teaching model, concept of andragogy in education, meaning, principle, competency of self-directed learning, theory of andragogy, Malcolm Knowles, the dynamic model of learner autonomy, assessment, meaning, nature, perspective, assessment for learning, assessment of learning and assessment of learning, types of assessment, that is placement, formative, diagnostic, summative, relation between objective and outcomes, assessment of cognitive, Anderson and Carthol, affective, Carthol and psychomotor domains, R.H. Davy of learning. Assessment in pedagogy of education, feedback devices, meaning, types, criteria, guidance as a feedback devices, assessment of portfolio, reflective journal, field engagement using rubrics, competency based evaluation, assessment of teacher prepared ICT resources. Fourth one, assessment in andragogy of education, interaction analysis, Flanders interaction analysis, Glovage system of interaction analysis, recording of classroom events, construction and interpretation of interaction metrics, criteria for teacher evaluation, product, process, presage criteria, rubrics for self and peer evaluation, meaning and step of construction. 8. Technology in or for education, concept of educational technology as a discipline, information technology, communication technology, and information and communication technology, and instructional technology, application of educational technology in formal, non-formal, open and distance learning, informal and inclusive education system. Overview of behaviorist, cognitive, and constructivist theory and their implication to instructional design. Skinner, Piaget, Asubol, Brunner, Vygotsky. Relation between learning theories and instructional strategy for large and small groups, formal and non-formal groups. B. System approaches to instructional design. Model of development of instruction design. ADDIE, Assure, Dick, Carey model, Mason, Gane. 9 events of instruction and 5 is of constructivism. 9 elements of constructivist instructional design. Application of computer in education. CAI, CAL, CBT, CML, concept processing of preparing ODLM, concept of a learning, approaches to e-learning, offline, online, synchronous, asynchronous, blended learning, mobile learning. C. Emerging trends in e-learning, social learning, concept, use of Web 2.0 tools for learning, social networking sites, blogs, chat, video conferencing, decision forum, open education resources, Creative Commons, Mashup open online courses, concept and application, e-inclusion, concept of e-inclusion, application of assistive technology in e-learning, quality of e-learning, measuring quality of system information, system service, user satisfaction and net benefits, D&MIS success model 2003, ethical issue for e-learner and e-teaching, learning and research. D. Use of ICT in evaluation, administration and research, e-portfolios, ICT for research, online repositories and online libraries, online and offline assessment tools, online survey tools or test generation, concept and development. Unit 9, educational management and administration, leadership, educational management and administration, meaning, principle, functions, importance, institutional building, PostCorp, CPM, PRT, management as a system, SWOT analysis, terrorism, administration as a process, administration as a bureaucracy, human relation approaches to administration, organization, compliance, organization development, organization climate. Second, leadership in educational administration, meaning, nature, approaches to leadership, trait, transformational, transactional, value-based, cultural, psychodynamic, charismatic, models of leadership, Blake model, Mountains, Mangriel grid, Fielder contingency model, tri-dimensional model, Hershey and Blanchard's model, leader-member exchange theory. Concept of quality and quality in education, Indian and international perspective, evaluation of quality, inspection, quality control, quality assurance, total quality management, Six Sigma, quality gurus, Walter C. Watt, Edward Deming, C.K. Prahalad. D. change management, meaning need for plant change, 3-step model of change, unfreezing, moving, rephrasing, the Japanese model of change, just in time, Poccaio, cost of quality, appraisal cost, failure cost, and prevention cost, cost benefit analysis, cost effective analysis, Indian and International Quality Assurance Agency, objective, function, roles, and initiative, National Assessment Accreditation Council, that is NAC, performance indicators, Quality Council of India, International Network for Quality Assurance Agency in Higher Education. Unit 10, that is inclusive education. Inclusive education, what are the concept, principle, scope, target, diverse learner, including marginalized group, learners with disabilities, evolution of the philosophy of inclusive education, special, integrated, inclusive education, legal provision, policy and legislation, national policy of education 1986, program of action of 1992, Personal with Disability Act 1995, National Policy of Disability 2006, National Curriculum Framework 2005, Concession Facility to Diverse Learners, Academic and Financial, Rehabilitation Council of India Act 1992, Inclusive Education Underserved Shiksha Abhiyan, feature of United Nations Convention on Right of Persons with Disability and its implication. B. Concept of impairment, disability and handicap, classification of disability based on ICF models, readiness of a school and model inclusion, prevalence types, characteristics and educational needs of diverse learners, intellectual, physical and multiple disability, cause and prevention of disability, identification of diverse learner for inclusion, educational evaluation method, techniques and tools. C. Planning and management of inclusive classroom, infrastructure, human resource and instructional practice, curriculum and curricular adaptation for diverse learners, assistive and adaptive technology for diverse learners, product, aids and appliances and process, individualized education plan, remedial teaching, parent professional partnership, role of parents, peers, professional, teacher education, teachers, a school. Next, D. Barriers and facilitators in inclusive education, attitude, social and educational, current status and ethical issue of inclusive education in India, research trend of inclusive education in India. That's it. This is